Welcome to this enchanting Cape Cod home, a perfect blend of comfort and style, nestled on a beautiful tree-lined street in a friendly neighborhood. As you step inside, you're greeted by a fully updated interior showcasing gorgeous hardwood floors, a cozy log-burning stove, and elegant wainscoting that adds a touch of sophistication. The spacious living room is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, filled with natural light from all new windows. The remodeled kitchen, with its modern appliances and pantry, leads out to a rear patio, ideal for outdoor gatherings and summer barbecues. The dining room, adjacent to the kitchen, offers a welcoming space for family meals and special occasions. This charming home features 3 bedrooms, including a versatile main-level bedroom that can serve as a home office or guest room. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, each offering ample space and comfort. The home includes 2 full bathrooms, providing convenience for all family members. The finished lower level is both stylish and functional, featuring built-in storage, a game room, and a home gym or office area, along with a full bathroom. This space adds valuable square footage and versatility to the home. Situated on a 5,427 square foot lot, this home offers wonderful curb appeal with its classic brick exterior and inviting front patio. Enjoy peace of mind with recent updates, including a new sewer line, driveway, walkway, water tank, and furnace. Conveniently located close to elementary, middle, and high schools, as well as a recreational center, main park, and ball fields, this home is ideal for families. The welcoming community atmosphere enhances the appeal of this storybook home. Don't miss the opportunity to make this delightful Cape Cod your own. With its blend of modern updates and classic charm, this home offers a unique chance to experience comfortable living in a picturesque setting. Schedule your showing today and discover the warmth and elegance of this beautiful home.